Hi, today I'm going to react to a new song, and it's a song called Emo Girl, and then I'm an emo girl myself, so I think I have to react myself to it. I also can remember the first time when I heard this song. Well, I was preparing for a new YouTube video and then I heard this song and I heard Emo Girl. And then I thought, wait, do they sing about emos? Well, then of course I have to make a video about it. Well, I hear a lot of people don't like it if I watch on Facebook, but today I'm going to tell you what I think about it myself. Emo Girl is a song that came out in 2022 and it's a song from Machine Gun Kelly feat Willow Smith. So okay, let's get started listening.
She's got makeup by the mirror in her bedroom, thigh-high fishnets and some black boots, nose pierced with the cigarette perfume, half dead but she still looks so cute. She is a monster in disguise and she knows all the words to the trap songs, takes pics with her cherry red lipstick, says she only dates guys with the big I fell in love with an emo girl, I'm in love with an emo girl, I fell in love with an emo girl, all I want is an emo girl.
Well, the chorus of the song sounds very nice and emo, I think. But it also sounds a little bit old school, which I like, because you don't hear a lot of those songs anymore. But also the text in the chorus I do like, because they sing about emo and everything with emo is fun, I think. Well, the chorus that sounds very emo and I do like that, but the rest of the song doesn't sound really emo. If I read tight high fishnet and some black boots, well, I think black boots is more gothic than emo, because emos are known for liking Converse shoes and sneakers and Vans shoes, so that doesn't sound really emo. But I also hear in the rest of the song cigarette perfume, but I know in the emo lifestyle emos don't like to smoke, and I know a lot of emos do follow the straight edge lifestyle, which doesn't make it emo, also. And he also sings and she knows all the words of the trap songs. Well, I first didn't know what trap songs are, but I figured out trap songs are some kind of rap or hip-hop music or something like that. And that's not emo. Emos do listen to a very other music style than rap and hip-hop. Emos do like emotional hardcore.
Ladio no empacha, Ladio fuma como rata, viene de la mata, solo tigueraje, no coro con rata, no te metas con el diablo, solo
And he also sings, say she only dates guys with a big Well, I think emo girls are more cute instead of sexy, but I think the girl in this song he's singing about sounds very sexy, and I don't think sexy is emo, so it doesn't sound like an emo girl, I think. And the YouTube video also contains some emo elements in it, like block patterns, which is very emo, and junk food, because emos do like junk food. And also guitars, which is also very emo. But if I'm watching the rest of the YouTube video, then I don't see an emo girl. I see a lot of alternative girls, like gothic girls, and yeah, those girls are alternative, but those girls in this video clearly aren't emo. Like, if you see this girl, then I think, no, that's not emo. So this isn't an emo girl, but this is an emo girl. So okay, my opinion about this song is, well, the song sounds very thin, I think, but I think I have to disappoint this singer because I think he doesn't fall in love with an emo girl, but with an alternative girl. But she's clearly not emo, so sorry dude, but yeah. Well, this was my new video. Well, tell me in the comments below what you think about this song. Well, this was my opinion. I hope you liked this video and I hope you think it's interesting, so bye!